Hi guys, today I would like to show you guys how to get 960 NES games in your iPhone 2.2. First of all, we're gonna need to SSH into the iPhone. You might use CyberDog, WinCP. It doesn't really matter whichever you are using, just as long as you can get into SSH on the iPhone. And let's get started with it. For your username is root and the password is alpine. Okay, once we have SSH into the iPhone, we're gonna need to click back on the arrow that you have. First of all, we're gonna need, before we do that, we're gonna need to install the equivalent for the NES launch installer. Cydia, and go on the ends, and you should get an NES equivalent and install it. Once that is done, we just return to Cydia and close Cydia, and we'll see that on the springboard we got a new icon. Okay, now we need to go to the SSH on the iPhone. So we're gonna go as the little arrow. We're gonna click it until we get to var. On var, we're gonna go to mobile. Mobile. And on mobile, we're gonna go to media. On media, we're gonna need to create a new folder. We're gonna go to new directory. Okay, we're gonna go new directory. Okay, and we're gonna name it capital ROM lowercase s. Make sure it's done correctly. We're gonna click OK. Then we're gonna click on that folder named ROM, and now we're gonna look for the 900 NES ROMs that you should have downloaded in one of the links that I'm gonna give you, and we got it right here. So we're just gonna drag this folder and drop it and copy, and it should start copying. It should take about 15-20 minutes depending on your computer. So let's see how we're gonna see how the process is doing in the iPhone. We can launch the NES games, and we can see that there's some ROMs already in there. Let's give it a try on one, and let's start. And as you can see, it's already working. Yes, believe it or not, 900 NES